hair cabinet. Oh my, okay, so. This is not a defense. This is just an explanation. All right, look, I'm not gonna lie, I turned on the camera because my hair looked cute. I mean, to me. I'm about to wash it. It's been in like a protective style this whole time. Anyway, that's the point is that today, in today's video, I am going to take you guys into my hair cabinet, and I'm gonna do some quarantine cleaning today. All right, we gonna get up in there, we gonna clean it out. And if you're new to my channel, look around, subscribe. I have a ton of natural hair care videos. Don't judge me right now though. Today is cleaning day. Let me put this hat back on. Hold on. I know somebody gonna be like, but that was cute. Yes, I see you in the back. Thank you very much. Actually, it was cute. Let me take this hat back off. So here we go. This is my desk. These are new products. I literally just got these yesterday. This is everything that you guys have been telling me I should be trying, except for this. This just scared me, so I got it anyway. This I'm not sure if I'm keeping because it has coconut oil, and I've been trying to avoid coconut oil, but I kind of need this for the video, so whatever. You guys can probably guess like what I'm kind of working on based on these products. Anyway. This product right here, I'm actually thinking about returning because it has coconut oil in it, and I'm trying to avoid coconut oil. However, this product has coconut oil. This is my hair cabinet. Oh my, okay, so. Oh, stop it. Some of y'all hair cabinet look like this or worse. Shoot, y'all be trying to judge me. This is actually scary. Yeah, you can see there's a variety of things. I see you over there shopping my cabinet. Stop shopping. We're here to clean it out. Some things in the background. So what I'm gonna do is take it all out and put it on my bed. Oh wait, I have more shower things. Don't forget. See, y'all thought I was done. Nope. Empty. So this is everything in my hair cabinet. Well, this is embarrassing. Minus a few things that are probably just lurking in other places. But Laura, why I gotta look like I'm in quarantine? I mean, I know, but bless it, Lord. But I do have an explanation, okay? I used to work for Sephora, and we used to get like a ton of products. Most of those products are gone because they would have been so old, but I still am holding on to some things that I need to get rid of, like honestly. And then also my husband has natural hair and my son has natural hair, and we all have different hair needs. However, I'm gonna just take an inventory. See, I'm just over here airing out my dirty laundry and everything. See, y'all get to see it all. I love y'all. I hope y'all know. You're one and only. These are my piles. Okay, so let's start with this mysterious pile. Curl formers, perm rods, stuff for mixing color. This is for my wigs. These are like processing caps, plastic processing caps. I usually use these for my deep conditioning. This is all the stuff I'm using now. I haven't used this in a little while because I'm repairing my edges, but I do like it. It has like a softer hold, not quite as drying as the Eco Styler Gel, which I tried on my wash and go. I'm giving a try to some aloe vera again. You know, we'll see. This is an oil that I actually really like from Melanin Hair Care. This is my tried and true for my dandruffy scalp, seborrheic dermatitis, whatever you want to call it. These are just oils. So these are oils that I have that I'm kind of going through oh wait. I'm going to hold on to this because I can use it on my body actually. I like that. This is what I'm currently using on my son. Shout out to Melanin Hair Care. This is Goddess Strength. This is all of the stuff for like wigs or like, you know, algae, like protein treatment, like stuff if my hair is damaged and I need something right away. Color, developer, like bleach, all that kind of stuff. This is mainly used for my wigs. This is not, that's acetone. Yeah, this is like what is this? A straightening serum. So anything that like is for wigs, straightening, all that stuff there. Shout out to my gym shoes. Oh, what are you doing? You better get back. Girl, you better stop playing with me. This is my husband's stuff. Actually, I received this for free from a brand, but you know, it was a little bit drying. It kind of didn't do much for me. So I kind of gave this to him, but this is all his stuff. He actually has locks, so he loves this locking gel. This is like his tried and true. Like he has 2 of them. He can't get enough. And this is the stuff I'm gonna throw away. And like a lot of this stuff is living proof. When I used to work for Sephora, they used to have this, but it's so old. Yeah, and this is just an empty. I'm gonna keep this sample because yeah, we're gonna give this a try maybe. Sayonara. Yes, hunty. We are organized. We are organized for 2020. For the next week.
Late-ass New Year's resolution.
I don't appreciate you making fun of my video.
Late-ass New Year's resolution.
Shut up. Okay, it's still an absurd amount of things for a family, but if you think about it, like most of us have grown up with many different hair products for many different, our hair is just so versatile. I've got my straightening products. I've got my curly hair product, or well, I ain't got no curls, but you know what I'm saying. I got my defining products. I've got my fluffy products. I got my updo products, you know, and then there's 3 of us and all 3 of us have different hair needs. Like I'm over here, I feel like I'm defending myself. This is not a defense. This is just an explanation. My hair is low porosity. My husband's hair is high porosity. And my son, I haven't tested it out, but I believe he probably has low porosity. But that's like a whole nother video idea. But anyway, we all have 3 different hair type needs. Also, I used to work in the beauty industry at Sephora, so we got a ton of hair care products all the time, and not as much as makeup, but we did get a decent amount of hair care products. And I'm a blogger. Shout out to my blog. Shout out to y'all who subscribe to my blog so you don't ever miss a video. I'll put that link down below. But I'm also a YouTuber. I'm a vlogger, and I have various social media accounts. So, you know, it's not up to me to keep up with the trend. Do not put that pressure on me, okay? But as a natural hair enthusiast, at times I do like to try different things. But my goal has always been to keep it at a minimum. I like to use up what I have and then move on. So over the last, I'd say 3 years, I've really been like kind of inching towards that area of just making sure that I don't accumulate too much, because honestly, I only got one head. I don't need that much stuff, you know, and I'm one of the people who actually keep it simple on YouTube, so I can only imagine. So anyway, if you like hair care videos, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, hit that notification bell, because a lot of y'all were saying that you didn't even know I was back. I've been back for like 2 months, so yeah. Hit the notification bell and check out my other hair care video. I will leave 2 different, like either a video and a playlist. Natural hair care stuff. I absolutely love it. I would love to have you. And if you're new, welcome. And I'll see you in a couple days. Mwah, mwah, mwah.